Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. If it's your first time here, my name is Eleftheria and today we are going to review Photoshop CC for web design beginners. This is from Udemy and it's totally free. So yeah, let's get started. In the overview section we have the about this course. And there are 14 lectures and 2 hours of video. The skill level is a beginner one, and let me add, it's a totally beginners one, and the language is English, and I think the creator of this course is a native English speaker, or at least his English is very good. In the description section you will find a lot of useful information. And I think that it is only supported for Photoshop CC, and now for me personally I use CS6, so some things are the same, but this is an older version. Okay, if you want to learn more about the instructor, he is Carl Hitton, and I have also done another course by him, and I really like this instructor. I think he's very knowledgeable, he knows his stuff, he's fun, he goes into the depth, and yeah, I think he's a great instructor. Now, in the course content, we have like 12 sections. And inside every section you will find some videos and then some links, or in other sections you will find some quizzes. I mean, he usually have a quiz, and I like when the instructor also includes a quiz because it will trick your mind. As you can see, inside every section there are not a lot of videos, whereas in other sections from other creators you will find a lot of videos. Now the videos depends the length, it depends. Sometimes they are like 2 minutes and sometimes they are like almost 13 minutes. Of course the duration varies, like 6 minutes or 9 minutes, 4 minutes. And yeah, here are the other section. And as you can see, he usually have 1 or even 2 videos, but then he will also include a file, maybe a PSD or a link. And I would like to mention that this is the creating your first web page design, and this is the last section, so I would like as a student to also provide me with some files, because this is the final project, and maybe if I don't get something I will not have the opportunity to get it in another section. So I think that the instructor could include in this case some extra files. Okay, and now let's continue to the Q&A, and here you will also find some questions. Sometimes there is also an answer, but not always. In the announcement sections you will not see a lot of things, like it has some things but it's from 3 years ago. So yeah, that's it. Now as you can see, my review is like okay, 3.5 stars, and if you ask me why you gave in this course such a rate, I will tell you that this course is a totally beginner's one, like totally. And as the course content says, it only will give you some like shapes and working with layers and groups or moving and resizing, but it will not get into a lot of details. And although, as I mentioned before, the instructor seemed very knowledgeable, maybe he doesn't have the time, I don't know what, but he will not give you the extra information that you maybe need. I think that he's like more focused on the website, because in this lesson you will create a website, but he doesn't give you a lot of information about like photo editing or graphics. And yes, it's very focused on creating web pages. So sometimes even if he explains each tool and how you can use it, maybe this is not very helpful. And another thing that I wanted to mention is that the slides lack some punctuation and spelling, and I wouldn't expect that from an English speaker. Yeah, I think pretty much that's it for this course, and if you liked it, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and maybe comment. Thank you very much for watching, and have a great day!